LegalZoom has positioned itself as a prominent online legal services platform, catering to individuals and small businesses seeking assistance with various legal documents and processes. Its appeal lies in offering a seemingly more affordable and accessible alternative to traditional law firms. However, understanding the true cost of LegalZoom requires a detailed breakdown of their pricing structure, as it can vary significantly based on the services required. Walking explanation of costs. LegalZoom's pricing is not a fixed rate. Instead, it's structured around a menu of services, each with its own associated cost. Here's a general overview. Business formation. This typically involves forming an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. Prices fluctuate based on the state of incorporation and the specific package chosen. Basic packages might cover filing fees and essential document preparation, while premium packages include additional services like registered agent services, compliance monitoring, and expedited processing. Expect to pay anywhere from a few $100s to over $1,000, depending on your needs. Estate planning. Services like wills, trusts, and power of attorney documents also vary in price. A simple will might be relatively inexpensive, while a complex trust can cost significantly more. LegalZoom offers tiered packages, allowing you to select the level of assistance you require. Intellectual property. Trademark and copyright registration are offered, with pricing depending on the scope of the search and filing. Expect costs to increase with the complexity of the intellectual property being registered. Legal advice and services. LegalZoom provides access to attorneys through subscriptions. These plans vary in cost depending on the amount of attorney access provided. Registered agent services. This is often an annual fee. The cost varies by state. Key considerations. State filing fees. Remember that LegalZoom's fees are separate from state filing fees, which are mandatory for certain legal documents. These fees vary by state and must be factored into the overall cost. Subscription services. Be aware of recurring costs related to subscriptions. Additional services. LegalZoom often offers add-on services that can increase the final price. Tip: before committing to any LegalZoom service, carefully review the package details and compare them with the cost of hiring a local attorney. In some cases, the personalized guidance and expertise of a lawyer might be more cost-effective in the long run, especially for complex legal matters.